Hey guys, it's Saki from BdThemes. Welcome to Ultimate Post Kit Widget tutorial. This time, I'll be talking about the Wixer Grid Widget. Wixer Grid is a clean and calm blog layout for displaying posts in a fancy manner. There's two parts of it, one with images and the other are without. Let's see how this widget works. This is the first look of the widget. There's an animation effect that will zoom the post image when you hover. From the layout section, you may select up to 3 different layout styles for the widget. Selecting the second style now. The columns can be increased up to 6. Lower the column number means higher the content width. Let's see the third layout style. As you can see, the whole grid doesn't have images now. Instead, a blackish post grid that attracts visitors easily. Let's check by raising the column number to 4. From query, increase the item limit to fill the gaps in the column. Alright. Let's revert the changes. You can use the column gap scroll bar to add distance between the items. Keep a suitable image size to preserve the resolution. You already know about the item limit option in query. There's also the source, include exclude fields, and sorting options followed by date and order. The additional section is filled with switchers. They can show or hide specific things on the display. You may adjust the excerpt length from the text limit option. There are switchers for author, title, comments, and more. For example, turn on the Show Time switcher to display a clock above the post titles. You can also show pagination will show at the bottom of the grid. Now, let's move on to the Style tab. First section has padding and background color for the items. The Title section lets you adjust the font with the typography option. Let's pick up a font and adjust its size. There are 4 different text styles for the title. Now, change the title color to yellow on the primary section and the secondary section. Let's change the color for the text too from the text section. Like before, YOLO for both primary and secondary. You can also choose different colors for them too if you want it. Let's decrease the text limit from the additional section. Heading back to the Style tab, change the meta typography to match the titles. For the categories, we can select a matching yellow color for the background. With these simple adjustments, you'll get a stunning new look for the Wixer Grid blogging widget. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.